Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we are tackling one of those persistent headaches in any kind of live production. Just cable chaos.
Oh, absolutely. It's the worst.
So we're doing a deep dive on a very specific piece of gear. It's the Datavideo CB-22H. It's a 98-foot all-in-one snake cable.
And that all-in-one part is, the whole story right there.
Right. This isn't just about reading a spec sheet. We want to understand why this kind of integrated design is so important.
It is. I mean, if you've ever tried to wire a multi-camera shoot, you know the deal. You've got power, video, control lines. It's a mess.
A complete mess.
And the CB-22H is designed to kill that cable spaghetti. It's a 4-in-1 design that bundles 4 really critical connections into a single armored jacket.
Okay, so they've crammed 4 workflows into one. Let's break down what's actually inside. We've got 2 video lines to start.
Yep, 2 video lines.
There's the high-def one, the HD SDI BNC, which is, for future-proofing your setup.
Right.
But they also included a composite BNC cable.
Which is so smart. That's not just for backup. It's operational insurance.
How so?
Well, you can instantly bridge a brand new HD switcher with some legacy analog gear you might have on set. No adapters, no fuss.
That makes a lot of sense. So beyond the video, what else is in there?
The other 2 lines handle control and power, which, are often the things that fail first when you run them separately.
That's those little flimsy cables.
Exactly. So in here, you get a 5-pin XLR for the tally light.
So the camera operator knows when they're live. Crucial.
So crucial. If that little tally cable fails, the operator is basically flying blind. And then you have the 4-pin XLR for 12-volt DC power.
So with this one cable, you've just eliminated 4 potential points of failure.
4 points of failure, 4 separate cables that could get tangled or tripped over or even introduce signal interference. It's all about efficiency.
Okay, so with all that packed in and at 98 feet long, how does it hold up physically?
Well, the specs are pretty clear.
We have the length, 98 feet or about 30 meters. The price today is sitting at $349. But the weight is what really jumped out at me. The package weight is 15.6 pounds.
It's hefty. And for anyone listening who works on government projects, it's also TAA compliant.
Which is a key detail, right? That means it can be used in federal contracts.
Exactly. But you mentioned the specs, and this brings up a huge red flag I saw in the documentation.
Oh, what's that?
The title and the main specs, they clearly state 98 feet. But if you read the fine print, the little description text says the cable runs 164 feet long as a single cable.
Wait, what? So the marketing copy references the wrong model?
It seems so.
That could be a catastrophic error for a production. You order a 164-foot cable and get something almost half that length.
Precisely. It really drives home the point. Always read the detailed spec sheet, not the descriptive marketing text.
Good tip. So let's connect this to the bigger picture. How does the cost scale with this kind of complexity and length?
Well, length is really the main driver of cost here. It's pretty clear.
Okay, so we're at $349 for this 98-foot version.
Right. But if you need to go further, the price scales up almost linearly. You can see it in their other products.
Like the CB-23H.
Yep, the CB-23H. That one runs 164 feet, and the price jumps to $499.
And there's an even longer one, right?
Yeah, for huge venues or outdoor events, there's the CB-24. That one is 328 feet long, and it'll set you back $819.
Oh, yeah.
So you can see the pattern. In the pro market, the cost is driven first by the physical length, and then by the complexity of what's integrated inside, the HD video, the tally, the power, all bundled together.
So what this deep dive really shows is that a snake cable is it's an essential shortcut. It takes all these complex broadcast needs and boils them down to one single, dependable, heavy-duty solution.
It is. And, here's a final thought for you to take away from this.
Okay.
If this 198-foot cable weighs over 15 pounds, just imagine the logistical challenge, the sheer physical strain of deploying that 328-foot version if you had to run all those cables separately.
Oof, yeah.
Knowing this helps you assess not just the technical needs of a big multicam shoot, but the actual physical demands, the manpower you're going to need.